So I just watched the why no one has measured the speed of light video, and something about it didn't sit right with me. I'm not a physicist or astrophysicist or anything like that, but it feels like there's an experiment that's relatively simple that he did not mention that I'm curious to get feedback on. So imagine you have some stretch of land, and you can make this in a straight line. And right around here in the middle, like exactly in the middle, you have a pulsing timer of some sort. So this thing will put out a pulse in both directions. And there is a timer with a laser here, timer with laser, timer with laser. And they're both set to 0. So this puts out like the little, I think he drew it something like this, like a little wave in the original video. But you know, it puts out a wave, and let's say it takes X amount of time to reach this. So in this way, we're going to say that light moves at half the speed of c, and in this direction, light is going to move infinitely fast, right? So it takes X amount of time to reach this point, and then this fires, and it immediately gets caught here, right? So the total amount of time between this thing firing and being detected over here is X. So that's the first case. But in this direction, the timer, the pulse to tell it to go off happens immediately, and then it fires light in this direction. But because it's traveling twice that distance, it would take, in this case, 2x. So if you ran this study, you know, and so you had it put out the pulse in both directions and they both fired, you would be able to measure that one of them took twice as long as the other. And I think that you'd be able to catch that discrepancy pretty easily. So hopefully that makes sense.